80 in total. We are units of energy. We will go from least to greatest within this song. Units of energy we will explain. We will tell you some facts about us.
Before we begin, we need to discuss what's a unit of energy. Teaching you this is a must. A unit of energy is a standardized measurement used to quantify the amount of work done or heat transferred. This information won't pass by. I'm a zeptojoule, I'm 1 sextillionth of a joule. I am a tiny unit of energy, but I am cool. I'm used in atomic and subatomic physics, especially when measuring energy changes in molecular interactions. I'm an electron volt, but I have more context to me than that. I am the energy gained by an electron when it moves through an electrical potential difference of 1 volt. I'm 160.2 zeptocoulombs, I just told you. I'm kilo electron volt, I'm 1000 of the previous. I'm used in X-ray spectroscopy and medical imaging. I'm also used in nuclear physics to describe photon energies and particle interactions as well. Mega electron volts is 1 million electron volts, or about 1.602 times 10 to the power of negative 13 joules. I'm widely used in nuclear physics and particle physics to express the energy of particles like protons, neutrons, and photons. Hello, I'm a giga electron volts. What does that mean though? I'm 1 billion electron volts. Here's some more about me. I'm a unit in high energy particle physics, especially in experiments at particle colliders like the Large Hadron Collider. That's your ice just fixed. Tera electron volt is here. 1 trillion electron volts are contained to me with no fix. A key unit in cutting edge particle physics in collider experiment like those at CERN. I'm an attojoule. I'm 1 quintillionth of a joule. I'm a minuscule amount of energy if you didn't know. I am used in nanotechnology and also used in quantum computing. What can you see? A femtojoule is me. I'm 1 septillionth of a joule, to say the least. I'm relevant in optical communications and low power electronics. I will see you soon. A picojoule is 1 trillionth of a joule. If I explain some more about me, I think you'll understand in full. I'm often used in digital electronics and photonics. I hope you think I'm cool. I'm a nanojoule, I'm 1 billionth of a joule, 1/10 to the power of negative 9 joules, now you know. I'm used in low power electronics in energy efficient computing and sensor networks. I'm a microjoule and I'm about to tell you this. I'm 1 millionth of a joule on this list. My symbol is a microsign with a day. You are doing so well so far, you smart fella. I'm a millijoule, yes, that is my name. I'm used in laser physics and capacitor discharges. I'm 1,000th of a singular joule, but what's coming up next will be a surprise. I am a joule, I am the SI unit of energy, my symbol is J. I just told you. I represent the energy transferred when a force of 1 Newton moves an object 1 meter in the direction of a force. It's my time to go. Watt second, equivalent to 1 joule. The VUS is my symbol. I said this in full. Used in electrical engineering and physics to express energy transferred or consumed over time in short bursts. I'm a Newton meter, I'm a unit of torque, though I share the same dimensions as a joule. I represent the force of 1 Newton applied at a distance of 1 meter from a pivot point. Maybe someday you'll learn about the units of torque. 9 centimeter is my name in this course. I am also a unit of torque in the CGS system. That's all I have to say. There is more to come. Erg is a unit of energy, often used in astrophysics. Here's some more about me. Also used in classical mechanics when dealing with small-scale energy transfers like in stellar processes. But pound is a unit of energy or work in the imperial system is where I was birthed. Approximately 1.3558 joules, often used in mechanical engineering. Inch pound is a unit of energy or torque, also used in the imperial system, I'm sure. Approximately 0.11,298 joules, also used in mechanical engineering for torque specifications. Ounce, force, inch, OZIN is my symbol, also used in the imperial system if you didn't guess. Commonly used in precision mechanics, such as small motors, fasteners, and instrumentation. Pound force foot in the imperial system, representing the torque produced by a force of 1 pound force. Widely used in automotive, mechanical, construction fields for specifying torque on bolts, engines, and tools. Pound force inch is me, a unit of torque you see in the imperial system is where I be. I'm commonly used in precision engineering for fasteners, small motors, and torque wrenches. Pound of foot is a unit of worker energy in the FPS system. FPS stands for foot pound second. 1 poundal is equal to the force needed to accelerate 1 pound mass at 1 foot per square second. I just said. I'm a calorie. I am defined as the amount needed to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. Next time you're eating a snack that has 250 calories, you're eating over 1 million joules. I attest. Kilocalorie, that's my name, you can see. I'm equal to 1,000 calories, that is me. Or 1,184 joules, to say the least. 105 of me is contained in 1 banana. Thermochemical calorie is a unit of energy used in chemistry and thermodynamics. You can see I'm exactly 4.184 joules, you now know. But here's some more complex facts about me that I will show. I play a role in Hess's law reaction and enthalpies. Reaction enthalpies are often tabulated in kilocalories per mole. Thank you for learning about me today. I hope I added some knowledge that you don't uphold. From a mean calorie that is equal to 4.90,002 joules. This is slightly higher than the thermochemical calorie and the 15 degree Celsius calorie. International steam table calorie is exactly 4.1868 joules. I'm used in ASME steam tables, which are essential for designing and analyzing thermal systems. I'm a gram calorie, as you can see, but I'm often just called a calorie. I was once widely used in physics and chemistry before the joule became an SI standard. Kilogram calorie, or the large calorie, or the food calorie, if you please. The amount of energy to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of water by 1 degree Celsius. I am a thermi, another unit of energy. I'm over 4 million joules, to say the least. I was primarily used in European engineering and thermodynamics, especially in steam heat calculations. 1055 joules, I'm a British thermal unit. BTU is my symbol, if you catch my drift. The energy needed to heat 1 pound of water by 1 degree Fahrenheit at sea level. British Thermal Unit International Table has exactly this amount of joules. 1055.05585262 I convey. I'm the British thermal unit as defined by the International Organization of Standardization. Charging a smartphone for 10 seconds takes one of me, and a brisk walk for 5 to 10 seconds takes 6. British thermal unit mean is something you can't doubt. I was used to standardized heat measurements across a range of temperatures, typically from 15 degrees Fahrenheit to 60. I hope you are enjoying this tune. British thermal unit, thermochemical, is used specifically in chemical thermodynamics. I'm the last British thermal unit. I'm glad you got to meet us all. Therm US is a unit of heat energy commonly used by natural gas utilities in the United States. It represents 100,000 British thermal units. Therm EC is a unit of heat energy used within the European community. I'm 105,506,000 joules in this song about units of energy. I'm a watt hour, I'm 3,600 joules, but why is that? I will tell you and explain. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour, and 1 watt equals 1 joule per second. That's why I am 3,600 joules. I'm a kilowatt hour, kWh is my symbol. I represent the amount of energy used when the device consumes 1 kilowatt or 1,000 watts of power for 1 hour. Electricity bills are calculated in kilowatt hours. I'm a megawatt, I'm 1 million watts, but that's not everything I had taught. I'm the equivalent of 3.6 billion joules. Now I am done. Gigawatt hour is 3.6 trillion joules or 1,000 megawatt hours. The annual output of Hoover Dam in Nevada is 4,000 gigawatt hours. That's a lot. Terawatt is here and is what you can see. I am 3.6 quadrillion joules. That's something you just learned. 10 to 15 of me are used in the output of a large nuclear plant yearly. At a watt hour, I sing with no concern. I'm 3.6 quintillion joules, I'm sure. The energy needed to power Earth for a year is 160 of me. Exawatt hour is my name that I just showed. I am 1 quintillion watt hours or 1 quadrillion kilowatt hours or 3.6 sextillion joules. I hope you enjoyed learning about me.
Watt hour is 1 sextillion watt hours or 3.6 septillion joules. I attest. 1,000 extra watt hours. If you didn't know, that is 3.6 times 10 to the 24 joules. Now I'm done.
I'm a yada watt hour. I'm 1 septillion watt hours or 3.6 octillion joules. I have that power. I'm 1,000 of the previous. I am not sour. One of me is the equivalent to the energy of a supernova. I am a kilojoule, 1,000 joules. I'm not a fool. I have some facts to tell you, and all of this is very true. Lifting 100 kilogram object 1 meter requires one of me. My part is done in this song. I'm a megajoule, I'm 1 million joules, or 947 British thermal units. Use more of me. 1 liter of gasoline burn is the approximate energy of 34 megajoules. I am now leaving, peace.
Gigawatt is 1 billion joules, and I'm using large scale engineering projects. I have 947,000 British thermal units. I never like to throw a fit.
Terajoule, 1 trillion joules. I hold 63 of me, were the approximate energy of the Hiroshima atomic bomb. 1 to 10 of me is the daily energy use of a small city. I'm a very, very large unit, you can see. I'm a petajoule. I'm 947 billion British thermal units. I do say with these, I am used to measure massive energy quantities, especially in national energy statistics.
1 quintillion joules, I am an exajoule. I am a colossal amount of energy. I said that with no shame. I'm 947 trillion BTU. 1,000 of me is the energy from a large asteroid impact. I am a zettajoule. I'm 10 to the 21 joules. That is 1 sextillion joules, I say now. 1 to 100 of measly energy of a supernova, and the kinetic energy of Earth's orbit is 270 of me. I am a yottajoule, 1 septillion joules. I am an astronomical quantity, that's my fame. The estimated energy of the Big Bang is far beyond the yottajoule scale. You can plainly see. A barrel of oil equivalent is my name. I'm a standardized unit of energy that you will see. I am 6.1 gigajoules and I'm used by energy companies to aggregate oil and gas. I'm a ton of oil equivalent, my symbol is TOE. I'm also a standardized unit of energy. I'm 41.9 gigajoules, to say the least, used by government and energy agencies. I'm a kilogram of coal equivalent. I am 29,300,000 joules, or 29.3 megajoules, this you should know, or 7 million dietary calories. That I am a ton of oil equivalent. My value is based off the average calorific value of coal. I am 29.3 gigajoules, I just showed, or 27.8 million BTU. Cubic meter of natural gas is here. I am 35,300,000 joules, I share. 9.8 kilowatt hours, or 8.4 military dietary calories. MBTU, million British thermal units. My value is obvious, it's 1 million BTU, or 293 kilowatt hours, or 1.055 gigajoules. I made my point. I am a quad, but I'm not a vehicle. Oh god, that was demonic. Anyways. I'm a unit of energy equal to 1 quadrillion British thermal units. Now you know. Or 252 trillion dietary calories. Gigaton of TNT. Thanks for letting me to speak. I equal to 1 billion tons of TNT. Of course this is equal to 1,000 quad. 100 of me was the asteroid impact that ended the dinosaurs. I am a megaton of TNT. I am equal to 1 million tons of TNT. Now you see. Mount St. Helens eruption in 1980 was just one of me. If you don't know, that's located within Washington. I'm a liter atmosphere. I'm 101 joules, or 0.0242 calories. I'm using gas law calculations. You can plainly see PV equals 1RT. Thanks for learning about me. Planck energy is what you can see on your screen. I'm 1,956,000,000 joules. In quantum gravity, I mark the scale where quantum effects of gravity become significant. Poetry is a unit of energy primarily used in quantum mechanics and atomic physics, named after the physicist Douglas Hartree. I represent the electrostatic potential energy of the hydrogen atom in its ground state. I'm a Rydberg, a unit that's a gram, named after the Swedish physicist Johannes Rydberg. Used in spectroscopy when calculating wavelengths of emitted or absorbed light. I'm going out of sight.
Atomic unit of energy is my name. I'm also defined as the heart-free energy. I say I am 2 Rydbergs, I tell you now. On the energy scale of electrons, my good pals. I'm inverse centimeter, I'm a unit commonly used in spectroscopy to express wave number, which is the number of wave cycles per centimeter that you just learned. Energy of a lightning bolt releases about 1 to 5 gigajoules of energy, I state, in the duration of 30 microseconds, and the voltage of 100 million to 1 billion volts. Energy of a nuclear bomb can reach up to 100 quadrillion joules. Let me list some historical examples while I teach in full. Hiroshima in 1945 was 15 kilotons. Tsar-Bomba in 1961 was 50 megatons.
Energy output of the sun per second is my name. I tau.
The sun emits approximately 380 watts per second. The energy of a gamma ray burst releases between 10 to the power of 44 and 10 to the power of 47 joules, making me one of the most powerful explosions in the universe, second only to the Big Bang. The energy of a black hole merger in joules is this: 100 quadrillion. When 2 black holes spiral into each other and merge, they release an enormous amount of energy in the form of gravitational waves. 10 trillion joules. I'm the energy of a supernova. I'm roughly the total energy the sun emits over its entire 10 billion year lifetime. Supernova shockwaves trigger star formation in nearby clouds. Energy of the cosmic microwave background. My symbol is EMB. What am I exactly? I'm a faint glow of radiation left over from the Big Bang, dating back when the universe was about over 300,000 years old. I'm the energy of the entire Milky Way. I am 1.22 of intillion joules, you know. The Milky Way's energy is equivalent to billions of trillions of years of Earth's energy consumptions. On the estimated total energy of the observable universe, I am 10 decillion joules. That's something you had heard. I'm the last of the units of energy. Thanks for learning about us. But now let's sing the chorus 4 times before we go. Huh? Who's that? We're the units the creator forgot to add. Oh yeah, we almost forgot about you. Do you want parts in the song? Sure. Okay, go crazy. Thanks.
We're the 22 extra units that weren't included. We will list our facts, scales, and symbols without a flaw.
I'm a quectajoule, 1/1,000,000th of a joule. My symbol is QJ, that's all I have for you. Want a joule here, my symbol is RJ. Do I make myself clear? I'm 1,000,000 times smaller than the thermal motion of a singular molecule at room temperature. Quectajoule is my name, 1/7,000,000th of a joule I claim. Used in nanotechnology and ultra-sensitive sensors. I'm a joule, my symbol is RJ. I am 1 octillion joules. That I just said. I'm a quadrijoule, I'm 1/1,000,000 joules. I can measure the energy of the observable universe. Joule per mole, that's what I had just told. I am the energy per amount of substance used in chemistry. Kilojoule per mole, your knowledge isn't low. Comment in thermodynamics and reaction energetics. Calorie per gram used in food science and combustion. My symbol is CAL/G. Electron volt per particle. My shell, I am in plasma physics and particle simulations. Langley, I am solar radiation energy. I'm 41,840 joules per mole. Staff calorie is my name, you can plainly see. I'm a CGS electrostatic unit of energy. Horsepower hour is used in engine work output. My symbol is HP, if you could say the same. horsepower second. HPS is my symbol. I'm smaller than the horsepower hour I convey. Kilogram force meter, I am 9 joules. I am used in older mechanical systems with no blur. I'm a gram for centimeter. I am a small mechanical energy unit. Pound force foot second. LBFFTS is my symbol. I'm a rare hybrid unit in mechanical dynamics. Hi there, I'm a board of trade unit. BOTU is my symbol. I'm a UK electricity billing unit from UK. That is my name. I say I am slightly different from the US and used in British gasoline.
Centigrade heat unit. CHU is my symbol. I am the energy to raise 1 pound of water to 1 degree Celsius.
Hi there, I'm the solar mass energy equivalent. I'm 1.79 times 10 to the 47 joules. Gravitational binding energy of the Earth. I'm 2.24 times 10 to the 32 joules. You know.
On the energy of cosmic inflation, I'm estimated to be around 1 duovigintillion joules.
That electron volt, 1 sextillion electron volts. I'm used in ultra high energy cosmic rays. And that's all the units of energy you need to know. Our job here is done. Wonderful. Now let's sing the chorus 4 times.
80 in total, we are units of energy. We will go from least to greatest within this song. Units of energy we will explain. We will tell you some facts about us. 80 in total, we are units of energy. We will go from least to greatest within this song. Units of energy we will explain. We will tell you some facts about us. 80 in total, we are units of energy. We will go from least to greatest within this song. Units of energy we will explain. We will tell you some facts about us. 80 in total, we are units of energy. We will go from least to greatest within this song. Units of energy we will explain. We will tell you some facts about us.